Hey everyone, Tim Rist here with Door, coming at you from Albany, Oregon in the prestigious Lakeview Estates. We'll start with highlighting this location, one of the more coveted areas in North Albany. It features a private lake with an adjacent walking trail, excellent school district, and easy commuting to Corvallis or the Highway 99 corridor. Also note that we are outside of city limits with the added benefit of lower taxes. You could become just the second owner of 4030 Camilla Drive in North Albany, a well thought out single level home with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3-car garage, and RV parking with a 50 amp hookup. On first impression, a gorgeous, oversized custom front door that gives way to a spacious foyer, large great room, 12-foot ceilings, and a wall of south-facing windows. Outside you have territorial views and even Mary's Peak on a clear day. No shortage of counter or cabinetry space in this open concept kitchen, also featuring a gas thermidor range, a commercial Viking hood, and my favorite part, all of these lower cabinets with custom pull-out drawers. This property possesses some unique signs of true pride of ownership. Things like color-coded mapping across 5 different binders of the landscaping architecture, including the scientific names of everything that's been planted on a spacious 1-acre lot. Relax in your master bedroom, enjoy some southwest-facing views, including Mary's Peak. Enjoy your private backyard from this oversized Trek deck. And they really thought of everything when they built this, including putting the hot tub on a lower level so as not to block the views. In addition to the ample garage storage, there's also a hidden gem of a basement below, not factored in the county square footage, where all of your major systems and additional storage reside. Thank you for tuning in today. Again, I'm your host, Tim Rist, here to help you find your people and find your home. Thank you so much for watching our video. To tune in for more Oregon real estate news, including a monthly market report, hit subscribe and we'll keep great content coming. Thank you for liking it, sharing it, and we'll see you guys next time.